Welcome to our tutorial on how to make bulk changes to Etsy listings using the Bulk Listing Editor app. Today, I'll guide you through a simple and efficient way to update your Etsy shop listings in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, we're going to navigate to the Bulk Listing Editor app by WebEyes. Once you're there, the first step is to click on Load Listings. This might take a little while, so be patient as the app loads the listings. Now, let's say you want to update your poster products. To do this, we'll use the search function. Type in a poster to filter your listings. But we're not stopping there. To further refine our search, we'll use the narrow search option and specify that we're only interested in blue posters. Once we have our targeted listings, it's time to make some changes. In our example, we're updating the price. Select the listings you wish to change, then click Update, choose Price, and add +$5. Watch as the prices effortlessly change from $10 to $15. Next, we're going to update the titles of all poster listings in the shop. First, search for all poster listings. Select them. And then append a poster to their titles for better visibility. But what if you change your mind? No problem. The Bulk Listing Editor makes it easy to revert changes. Just do a search and replace to remove poster E from the titles. Now, let's focus on inventory management. Switch the mode to variations. And search for all 6x8 posters. We're going to increase the inventory by 10 units. This means if your inventory was 100, it will now show 110. And just like that, you've efficiently updated multiple aspects of your Etsy listings using the Bulk Listing Editor. This tool saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on managing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your Etsy shop efficiently.